Hi guys.
G'day guys, we are Kyal and Kara. This is our latest development, Bay Builds, and we are standing in House 2.
So House 2 is our Spanish coastal inspired home. We've used lots of warm tones and darker timber inside, but exteriorly we wanted to keep everything light and fresh. Our front door is oak, it's from the Corinthian Elements range, and we have the D-shaped handle which mimics other shapes going on throughout the house. Come on in and we'll show you more.
The first room as you walk in is the media room. It's dark, it's moody, but it's got a really cool vibe.
We've painted the walls and the ceiling the same colour. We have this feature leather lounge and it really is an inviting space.
For our doors, we've chosen the Manhattan doors, hung on the Attica face of wall track system, so you can shut them off, keep the sound in, and they also look really elegant with this timber profile all around the outside. Moving down the hallway, we've got our amazing helical staircase with an oversized window, but something that was really different for us was this statement powder room.
These are Hawaiian rock salt tiles, and we love this colour so much that we've painted the inside of the motor door the same colour to make it all blend in. Upstairs we have our linen cupboard. We've used 4 motor doors hung on a bifold system, which is a great way to create a cupboard with lots of storage.
Working your way down, we have the motor door in a cavity slider, which leads you into the main bathroom, where we've got our skylights, heaps of natural light, and the aged American oak on the louvered joinery there.
Down the end of the hallway we have this void area, which is a really nice connection to the downstairs living spaces. And in here we have bedroom 3, which has a really nice outlook over the pool area.
And here we have the home office, a place that every house needs. You can shut these doors off, keep the sound out, get some work done. But I love these Manhattan doors because when you walk down the hallway, you see this beautiful, elegant profile which matches the entire interior of the home.
Come on and we'll show you what's at the other end of the house. In here we have our Spanish-inspired resort main bedroom, and we've used lots of different textures to bring this one together. We have the micro cement on the walls, the stone capping, and a bed full of natural linen.
And then down here we've got the ensuite and we've got the motor door hung from the barn track system. It offers a really nice sophisticated look, and all in all it's a really nice touch.
This is a bit of a different look for us. We've used lots of warmer textures and tones in this house, but it's come together so well.
Hope you guys have enjoyed the tour of House 2. If you haven't seen the video on House 1, go and check it out.